I've heard rumors that the specific shrimp bait is a literal cheat code for Florida waters. Today we're putting it to the ultimate test, the catch and cook challenge. The rules are simple. I catch it, it's legal. I cook it right here on the water, but there's a catch. The FWC is always watching and the rules in these waters are no joke. We will be eating like kings or heading home with an empty stomach. Let's find out.
Yes, so the shrimp is on the line. We're gonna toss it out with this mini fishing rod.
Whenever I'm in doubt, I pull out the Fish Rules app. It uses your GPS to tell you exactly where you are and what the odds are in that specific spot. Right here in Florida, for mangrove snapper, the magic number is 10 inches, and you can only take home 5.
Oh yeah. Ooh. Miss him. All right.
Oh,
Got one, guys. Hopefully, this one is big enough. Oh my God! Look at this one, guys. All right, this one is not the right size. It didn't meet the size limit, so I have to throw it back in the water, guys.
oh man.
Yes, people. Yes, guys. The fish them a bite like crazy. Be a mangrove snapper a bite right now. As soon as I throw out the line, then start biting, start picking. But they're not big enough yet. Hopefully, this one reaches size limit. All right. We have a nice fish pan right now. I don't know how big this one is, guys, but it feels big. Oh, I believe it's what, 10 inches, 10 or 13 inches from the tail to the mouth, yeah. But these are not big enough. This is my first time using one of these mini fishing rods, and it feels good. Feels good. How's it going? I just need to catch one that meets that size limit, and I'll be good. Now get bite again. You know? Yep. Have one more penny. The one that feel bigger. Ooh. Ah, this is a pinfish. Yeah. This one is a pinfish, guys. No good.
So here's a fun fact. Florida isn't just about theme parks. We're the fishing capital of the world.
Yeah, I'm not trying to get poked by the pinfish, guys. I just need one fish, one snapper, that's it. Just one. That's all we need, guys, one fish. Yeah, but that means there's a big one somewhere close by. All right? Yo, may I tell you, it's a for in Jamaica, me there. Me fry every single one. Yeah, every single one. I gotta redo my, I gotta redo my line. Fishing is fun, guys. This is like therapy, you know? Therapeutic. It's been a minute since the last time we came fishing, right? About what, over a year now? Yeah, the bad weather and all that, yeah. Because I already caught like what, six snapper, but they're not big enough, guys. And if you get caught with them, you get fined a big ticket, or they could even take you to jail. So, yeah, we're not trying to do that right now. Yeah, we're trying to stay on the straight path, yeah? Yeah. One more coming up. You gotta be careful on these rocks. Okay, they be moving. All right, I need a big one. Big money, big money. Ooh, too early. Too early, guys. Man. All right, throw it back out in that water again.
So, did the shrimp bait work? 100%. It called them in all day. But look, I'm not a professional fisherman. I'm just here. I love being out here on the water. And part of enjoying this lifestyle is respecting the law so we can keep doing this for years to come.
Ooh. That felt like a big one just now, guys. A big, big monster fish. Look. Oh, man.
If you are enjoying this video, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Tell me what you think.
Ooh. Whoa, that was a big one. That was a big one. The bait is gone. Damn. Me I get bite like crazy. Crazy bite. What the backside is, you know? Hey, careful. Easy, you know. Yeah, all right. All right, big money, big money. Big fish, big fish. Come on now. See that? Something big more, you know. Big, big, big. Big fish, big fish. All right. Come on now, big fish, big fish. Nothing. Ah. Yo. All the way out. Guys. Oh God. Come on now. Oh God. Damn. Yeah. In bust off the people, if I see yo, I want big fish up on, you know. One big one. Damn. Even the fishing rod start bend up. No, sir. No, man. Whoa. The sinker gone. The hook gone. The bait gone. Oh, God. No, man. Me have to catch it. I have to catch something.
Come here. Tell me what happened just now.
Yo, guys. Right now, the sinker gone. The bait gone. The hook gone. Only the line and the rod left. Trust me. I want big fish more up on here a while again. I mean, I pull him in the muscle up and it just pop off everything, man. Right it. I forgot back in the paper bag, you know. This one is still not big enough. Rotted, man. Come on. Damn. Oh my God. Father God, give me one. Just one me ask for, please. Big one, no people. Big one, no people. Big one, no people. Come on now. Me bombard, man. The line is no good, man. Me rotted. I want big one, you know. Why me buy this a little full line here? A two big one, I miss up on already. You know? Two big fish. Oh God, man. Yes, guys, so this whole video today is basically about catch and cook. So whatever I catch, as long as it's big enough, that's what we're gonna cook. So far, no luck yet. So I make we run with it a little bit longer, you know. I get a lot of action, guys, a lot of action right now. So far, I 2 big fish bite on my line, you know, and the 2 tiny big fish them bite on it, then pull it off, gone. That's just a part of the whole fishing adventure still, you know. All right. Not sure if this sinker is going to be too heavy, but we're about to find out. Man.
We got 2 more exams.
Whew. Still not big enough, guys. I'll be a small snapper me I pull in from there. This is it. And I see you, don't you?
Take your time, not force it.
Bombat. Cheese and peace. Even when the hand of the seaweed, I pull him in together, you know. That's it.
So how was your trip overall?
Yes, people, trust me. This was a fun catch and cook, you know, video, but the only thing is, guys, me never catch anything big enough to cook. All right, so hope you enjoy the action them, you know, in the video with me catching different, you know, sizes of fish and them thing there. But like I said earlier, based on the law, I can't really keep them, so they didn't really meet the size limit, so I had to throw them back in the water. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching the video. Big up on yourself. Until next time, we have more amazing videos coming your way. Peace.